Good day everyone. I am Ejerafil Piang and I'm gonna discuss about teaching volleyball rules and its importance. So let's start. Teaching volleyball rules. Teaching volleyball rules during practice is optimal because players can immediately apply what they learn. For example, when during a practice game, a player makes contact with the net. So this would be a good time to stop the game and explain that you cannot contact the net while trying to make a play on the ball. So additionally, no, the best way to example or explain and teach it is with having an application of the rules you are teaching to your players. So moreover, coaches should thoroughly understand the rules themselves to effectively teach them to players and fellow coaches, ensuring everyone plays and coaches by the same standards. So, proceeding to selected rules that govern the sport of volleyball. So, in volleyball kasi, a team must have at least 6 players on the court to compete. But exceptions can be made if a team cannot field 6 players due to injury or other issues, as long as it doesn't give them an unfair advantage. And proceeding to importance of teaching volleyball rules. So teaching volleyball rules is crucial for several reasons. So first is safety. So understanding the rules helps prevent injuries. Players who know how to play correctly are less likely to engage in dangerous behaviors. Next is fair play. Rules ensure that the game is played fairly and that all participants have an equal opportunity to succeed. This promotes sportsmanship and respect among players. Next is skill development. So knowing the rules allows players to focus on developing their skills within the correct framework. So this lead to better gameplay and personal improvement. And also, we have game understanding. So a thorough grasp of the rules enhances players' strategic thinking and decision making during the game. So also they can participate opponents' moves and plan their actions accordingly. Also, we have consistency. Consistent application of rules across different games and settings helps maintain the integrity of the sport. Players can confidently participate in various leagues and competitions, knowing the standards are the same. And we have the enjoyment. So when everyone knows and follows the rules, the game runs smoothly, making it more enjoyable for players, coaches, and spectators. Clear rules minimize conflicts and misunderstandings. Also, we have coaching efficiency. Coaches can better teach techniques and strategies when players understand the rules. This leads to more effective practices and quicker development of the team. So overall, no, teaching volleyball rules is fundamental to creating a safe, fair, and enjoyable environment that encourages both individual and team growth in the sport. So that's all for my part. Thank you.